Birds have always been a subject of fascination for artists. You have an artist within yourself who will learn to paint birds using watercolors and contrasting them for different parts of the bird. Do click the bell icon once you have subscribed the channel and click like button. Share this video with your friends, classmates using WhatsApp status and Facebook. It is strongly recommended to watch this video till the end because you will learn to give contrast using different watercolors for various body parts of the bird in the second part of this video. First of all, you require a drawing file, a pencil, one round brush of 8 number, various watercolors, a mixing palette and a container filled with water. After making a sketch of the bird, we will apply plain water. Then we will start with orange color by taking lighter tone of color and leaving some parts blank as you can see in the video. Then we will take lemon color and apply at bottom of the bird. Then you will fill the feather with a dark shade of orange. Now use watercolor to apply the texture of feather and give some detailing with brown color. Now take Persian blue to highlight with a balance of light tone and dark tone at different places, like dark tone for beak and light tone for neck of the bird. Give light tone of orange in the parts that were left blank and mix it with other colors that are still wet. Use dark tone of Persian blue to highlight tail and give detailing. Now fill green color on the branches using a mix of light and dark tone. To make sky, first let the bird dry, then apply plain water in the sky with light hands. Fill the region carefully with light tone of cobalt blue. The bird is complete. Now make this word and send the pic to me. Comment below and click on like button if you like these birds. Thank you for watching.